We know that the power electronics is the combination of power and electronics, and these two can be controlled. For the control purpose, we require controlling devices. For the control and the conditioning of electrical power, the conversion of electrical power from one form to another form is necessary. The switching devices are going to provide that conversion. The static power converters perform this function of power conversion. We have different types of power semiconductor static devices. The first one, this is uncontrolled turn on and turn off process. The power diodes, whereas controlled turn on and uncontrolled turn off. Example is SCRs, silicon control rectifiers, and third one, controlled turn on and turn off. Is possible in most of the power semiconductor devices like BJT, MOSFET, IGBT, HGTO, SIT and MCT. The type is there. That is fourth one. Continuous gate signal requirement. For BJT, MOSFET, IGBT and SIT. For these devices, we require a continuous gate signal. And fifth one, a pulse gate signal required. That is SCR, HGTO and MCT. For these devices, we require pulse gate signal to turn on the device. And depending upon the voltage, bipolar voltage standing capability or capacity. SCRs and GTOs can be able to withstand for bipolar voltages. And the seventh one, unipolar voltage withstanding capability. MOSFET, IGBT, BJT, GTO and MCT. These devices having unipolar voltage withstanding capability. Eighth one, bidirectional current capability. Triacs and RCT. These devices have the capability of handling the bidirectional current and unidirectional current capability. SCRs, GTO, BJT, MOSFET, IGBT, SIT and diodes. The switching device of a converter can be performed by more than one device. The choice of device depends on the voltage, current and speed requirements of the converter. Power electronics circuits. Mainly power electronic circuits are classified in 6 types. That is, first one is diode rectifiers. Since the diode is uncontrolled turning on turning off device, so conversion of power is uncontrolled type. AC to DC converter or AC to DC rectifier, and these are controlled rectifiers. Here the conversion takes place from fixed AC to variable DC. For this purpose we can use SCRs or silicon control rectifiers, thyristors. And third type, AC converter, is known as AC voltage converter or voltage regulator. A fixed AC supply is converted into variable AC. The fourth one, DC to DC converter, known as DC choppers or switching regulators. A fixed DC is converted into a variable DC supply. The fifth one is DC to AC converter, is also known as inverter. A fixed DC is converted into variable AC. And the last one is static switches.